Step into the next level of work holding with the MaxxMacro 54 Quick Chuck. This innovative tool breaks free from the size constraints of standard chucks, presenting a compact 56mm 2-inch square footprint for unmatched precision in tight spaces. But it's not just about size. Its versatility shines through vertical mounting with screws or even horizontal mounting with clamps, delivering unmatched accuracy on all sides. The Quick Chuck bar locking system offers a robust 4,000 N of force and ensures fast, easy, and precise usage with a static repeatability accuracy of 0.002 mm. This chuck integrates seamlessly into your setup, boasting 100% cross-compatibility with MaxxMacro and System 3R. Crafted from 440C stainless with 57 to 60 HRC, its mechanisms resist rust, even in full wire EDM submersion. Step into the future of work holding, where precision, adaptability, and durability converge. Contact us or visit our website today to transform your CNC and wire EDM operations.